Hello guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, I have another motorcycle screen display to review it, and today I'm gonna fire it up and have a look at the software, what it's capable of, how it's responding. So I would say come on over and we start. Now guys, here I got my power supply. Here I got the two cables. The red one goes in the red one and the black one in the black one. Then, come on, pop. Yes, lay it over there. This a bit over there, this also a bit over there. So, that's a bit. Then guys, we take the power cord. Guys, this is very simple. This is the power cord and it says INNOVV with an arrow. And this is the female and this is the male. Two arrows on top of it. Hop. And lock it in place. Is that easy or not? Very easy. The black one goes to the black one, which is the negative of your motorcycle battery. Okay. Come on over and we fire it up. I'm gonna put the red and the yellow cables together. So I'm simulating that the bike is on ignition. And it is now. There it is. INNOVV. Okay. Oh, noise. Oh, I hate noises. I like the display. First thing I always do is go to the settings. Response nice. We have TPMS. That's our tire pressure monitoring system. We have the time. Let's see, the time zone, year, month, date. Perfect. Then we have DV, display and volume. Okay, you can use a few backgrounds. Let's take this one, see what it is. Back. Whoa, nice. Mountain scene. That I always hate. A blinking LED, a red LED. In the evening it's terrible. But let's move on. This one. Then we have a look. This one. Go back. That's this. A lake. If you want to drive in a lake. Not sure if that's the right. Some of those systems you can download your own background. At least a startup picture. I love that. When you go to settings, you wait long enough. Let's see. Okay. Jumps automatically back to the normal home screen. I like that. This. We have lightning. Goes from dark to really bright. Good. You can have the sound source, your phone or the device. Let's put it, leave it. Keypad sounds. One thing I always shut off is those annoying beeps. Beep, beep. For now, I'll add it on. You also can set the brightness to automatically. Well, is that handy? Is that preferable? I don't like it. Especially when you drive in the evening, cars approach, or you have street lights, then it constantly goes from dimmed to bright, up and down, constantly. I don't like that, but Maybe you do. Be my guest. I put it off. Okay? Yes, now it's off. Full brightness. It's very responsive. That's great. Then we have storage. Well, we don't have any storage. We didn't get an SD card with it. INNOVV. GPS. Well, we don't have any receiving over here. Plus, we didn't attach it. A reset. I always like to do that. Why? I don't know. Now a blue LED. Okay. GPS, reset, language, English and 2 types of Chinese. Okay. So no German. Actually no French. Maybe an update will solve that. We're gonna update it in a moment. And then we have more. You can set it to miles. Oh, rest reminder. Oh, that's pesky. Oh, so annoying. Guys, you're riding, and suddenly you get, you have to rest, pause, but you're too long on your bike. I hate it. No, you can choose between kilometers and miles. Oh, that's also good. Let's go back. No. Let's pair them. Let's have fun. Over here, I have the S1000. I'm gonna screw it onto the tire of the S1000 over here. So. Let's pair the rear. Pairing. Back tire pressure is high. Of course, we set it to front, rear 1.5. Low alarm is 1.5. So, I'm gonna put it at least to 2.5 and a high alarm 3.2 bar. You can all set it to PSI. And the temperature you can set from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So that's good. Now, then we're gonna pair this one on the same tire, but they doesn't know. So we pair now the rear, eh? Yep. So I'm gonna mark it. Yes, a point for INNOVV. Mark them with rear or front. Suppose you take them both off, hassle them, and then you have no idea which one is which. I'm gonna mark them. See? I put the R onto it of rear. Now we're gonna pair the front. There it is. He will say it's low too. Pair front. Takes a while. And he said right away it's too low because it's at 1.5 bar. Yeah, that's really low. Let's put them both the low on 2.2. You have to put these settings for your own bike, eh? This is just for fun, for the test. Okay. You can say relieve, which means unpair. Well, that's good. I'm gonna take it off again. Here we got the cameras. The front and the rear. This is front, the F. And we're gonna connect it to the F. Hop. Screw it for now, just a bit. Oh, go back. Back. This should be the rear with the longest cable. Plug it in. And let's see. Let's see. Dash cam. Oops. Houston, we have a problem. It doesn't look very good. Maybe it's about the settings. Resolution. Gonna set it to 2K. Confirm. He restarts. Yeah, okay. Maybe that's a good sign. Oh, I love the sound. Then dash cam. Yes, these are 2K cameras. What you see is because I have LED lights here inside. When you drive outside, that's gone. Change them, yeah. Left to right. You can turn the sound on or off. Hey, why in the world I have now a camera? And that's this one, the front camera. Guys, I have to say it's crispy sharp. A crispy sharp picture. And this is this one. Yep. That also looks good. Maybe I can aim it outside. That it. No. Yeah, sorry, it's that. To say, guys, this looks fantastic. Absolute. 2K camera functions well. Let's go to the settings, see what we can do. Data overlay. Select the data you want to overlay in a video. The logo, oh, the sign off, the time and the GPS. Ah, here, INNOVV. Okay, it has no GPS signal, so, and the date is not right, but parking, wait a minute, parking sensitivity. This is when someone tinkers with your bike, moves it, it starts to record. And they sell it like it's a protection, thief protection thing. But it isn't. You don't get a warning, you don't get nothing, only it starts recording. So I absolutely don't know why that is for. High resolution 2K, that's good, that's we're filming now. Loop, okay. I like to set it on 3-minute loop. If you set it on 1 minute, you get endless video files, and 3 minutes, that's the best. Okay, rear camera mirror. Okay, because it's on the rear side, you have to mirror that picture because it's facing backwards. It's now off, so I'm gonna leave it off for now. G sensor, I know. This is whenever you have an accident and someone drives you off the road, or you suddenly falls due to oil on the road, and it automatically logs that last file, video file from the camera, so you can't delete it. Maybe for insurance when another car is involved. So that's good. I like it. I like that. I like that. Then we go back and we go back, and then we go to these settings. Then we're gonna connect my phone to the motorcycle display. So you can't. Oh God, non de